Well, after a period of relative inactivity, the big four have started to open new stores in infill locations. And we expect to see this continue at a modest pace, as they all have plans for further expansion. And this is going to generate upward pressure on rents, but only for stores which fit the bill.
The owners of Asda have wasted no time in rolling up their sleeves and becoming involved in the management of the property portfolio. Future expansion will exploit the Isa Brothers 396 petrol filling stations across the UK as sites for the new Asda on the Move convenience store concept. Last year also saw the opening of an 83,000 square foot store in Worksop, and Asda is reported to be looking at opening new supermarkets of between 45 and 60,000 square feet on high streets and out of town retail parks. Morrisons continued to expand its supermarket presence with new stores in Leicester, Helensburgh, Kirkby and Chelmsford. On the convenience side of the business, it announced a new deal to accelerate the conversion of McColl stores to the Morrisons Daily format. It opened its 100th Morrisons Daily store last year and plans to create 350 more this year. Tesco started the year with the opening of its first new supermarket in 6 years, a 35,000 square foot supermarket with a petrol filling station in Penwortham, Lancashire. By the end of the year, it had opened 4 new supermarkets and also its first Pret-a-Manger shop-in-shop in Kensington, London. 4 more openings are in the pipeline. Following several years focusing on their existing estate, Sainsbury's actively expanded its bricks and mortar presence, opening 3 new supermarkets and 4 new neighbourhood hub stores. It also continued the programme of closing standalone Argos stores and rehousing them in their existing supermarkets. This has driven footfall, delivered rental savings and generated repurposing opportunities. Sainsbury's also plans to open 25 to 30 convenience stores a year over the next 3 years.
Now, the discount has been taking increasingly larger stores in recent years, and the upper end of the size limit for Aldi has stabilised at around 20,000 square foot. But Lidl will now take up to 26,500 square foot. Whilst online sales have fallen from lockdown levels, it's clear that online grocery shopping is here to stay. It'll be interesting to see how operators seek to mitigate the cost of home delivery and encourage shoppers towards click and collect. Rents in London showed some growth over the year, driven mainly by a strong discounter demand, but on the whole, supermarket rents continued to remain relatively static across the board. On secondary stores, where an operator is lukewarm as to whether it wishes to renew a lease and demand from other operators is weak, quite substantial rent reductions are being seen on some lease renewals.